Tech Cocktail Conversations, candid insights from startup founders, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders from around the globe.
Ideaspace is DC's first commercial makerspace, but it's more than that. Ideaspace is a maker lab, it's a collaboration lounge, project garage. We've got all sorts of interesting manufacturing tools, 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC routers, and it's a place for people who are tinkerers, thinkers, makers, doers to come together, be inspired, learn, collaborate, build. We just signed our lease. We've got 16,000 square feet to play with, so a really big space. We're down by the Capitol Riverfront in the Navy Yard, about a block and a half from the baseball stadium. DC's really put together this amazing, vibrant tech community. We're here to promote that at South by Southwest, Digital DC. They just launched the campaign a night ago. And right now there are a lot of places you can go to for co-working. So if you want a dedicated desk or office space and some shared office resources, we've got 1776, we've got WeWork, we've got Cove, and a number of other cool offerings. But what we don't have is a place for, again, people who are thinkers, tinkers, makers, and doers to come together and build things. So if you need to do product development. So what we're hoping to do with Ideaspace is provide a bunch of shared resources to our members where you can prototype, build physical products, things like the Nest or Nike Fuel Band, the Fitbit, Google Glass. Where would you go if you wanted to start a business around hardware hacking, software hacking, and design? Ideaspace is the answer to that. Lots of people ask us all the time, why DC? And most people will suggest California or New York. For us, we feel like DC has a very deep maker culture. There are lots of artisan and craftspeople in the city. But the big thing is, our nation as a whole is beginning to focus on STEM-based learning, or we like to say STEAM. We throw in A for arts, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. And what better way to make a national impact than to build a makerspace in Washington, not too far from the White House. And actually, this June, we're hoping to host a maker fair with the White House, Office of Science, Technology, and Policy, and the National Science Foundation. And the hope is that we can make a serious impact nationally by being in DC. And there's lots of other reasons. I mean, the mayor's office, we're here at South by Southwest with them, and this is the Digital DC campaign they put together. They've been tremendously supportive to our group. And in doing our research beforehand, we kind of felt that connection with them. They've really helped us connect with commercial entities, municipal entities, to make this come to life. I mean, from financing to mentors for the program, to real estate and identifying the best location. This DC is a very special place, and we're excited to be there. I'm a maker myself, yeah. We're all makers, so anybody, if you grew up as a kid and used to take apart appliances at home, maybe to fix them, or sometimes just because you were curious, everybody's a maker in our mind. And really, like, Ideaspace is designed for the full spectrum of makers. So you could come and make a birdhouse, or you could come and make an advanced wearable computing device. It's really for everybody.